that I had was my inner seal was leaking. I replaced it with the Speedy sleeve. I took it back to the shop, and it kept leaking. They replaced the bearing, they replaced the inner seal, and somebody from Sacramento, Axle Doctor, he's the one that told me, why spend thousands of dollars if you could just do this? It's called the Speedy sleeve. So I went that route. So I'm going to show you guys what that looks like.
Thank you. Mark Caveney with SKF talking about the Speedy sleeve.
So I got a little leak right here. Second time we put this inner seal on the shaft here. So this is called the Speedy sleeve. This is going to go right in here, and that's going to fix the problem. My problem with the leak of the, because I guess the shaft right here, either I got to replace it, but I looked into this right here. It's called the Speedy sleeve, and it goes right in here. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. And this is for my truck right here. And this is for a video of a Dodge 5500 2016, how to fix a leak. So this is called a Speedy sleeve, and they even have a video.
Any questions about anything you saw here today, contact your nearest Motion Industries branch location.
Buy it at the Motion Industries. So we are hitting the sleeve in the shaft. Got to tap it little by little.
It's all the way in.
And this is called the Speedy sleeve, and it looks like it's all the way in. Yeah. Now we're gonna peel the little corner piece right here. It's gonna be like a can opener. So you grab it. Once you start peeling it, so whenever you do this, make sure you cut it all the way to the line. I think we got to cut a little more right there. There we go. Now we're gonna get it with the, there you go. So this is what you do. So you could do it like this, or with the can opener. Look how easy that is. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Wow.
There you have it.
Yeah. Look at that. And this is a quick fix right here. Pero no tiene lip aquí, ¿verdad?
No.
No. Perfect.
Yeah, that's pretty even.
Pretty even, huh?
Yep.
Shit. What do you think? Huh?
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Okay. So now we're gonna put everything back together, and so now we put the inner seal in, but you got to have special tools, which is that one right there. And I mean, you could do it the other way, but I don't advise it. Use the right tools to get the job done right. So now we're putting the drum back on. So now we're going to put everything back. The hub, it's got the new seal here. So the Speedy sleeve just went in there. We peeled it, and I'm hoping this fixes the problem. So And if it does, I'm gonna owe you a lot, motion industry, for making this speedy sleeve here for these trucks that leak. Now we're putting, ¿cómo se llama este? We're putting the hub back in.
Yeah.
The brake drum, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
Brake drum. Look at this thing, heavy duty, like a semi truck. Yeah, it just went in. Just went in. We're about to put the shaft in, and we're gonna put some silicone on this. That's all you do. You slide it in like that. These mechanics, they make it look easy. Everything's easy for these guys when you got the right tools. Look at this. Not too bad. And that's how that goes on. So now we're cleaning this up, and we're gonna see how this goes. If this continues leaking, I'm gonna have to replace the axle, which is about $4,000. All right, now we're gonna go check, see how the truck is doing. And it looks like it's ready. All right, homeboy. Vámonos. Looking good. All right, here it is. Nice and tight. Throw this away.